here's a little pet peeve of mine. Lithium ion. Great batteries. You know, they're small, they're lightweight. NiCad, heavy as hell. You know, 18 volt, blah, blah, blah. The only problem is my garage ain't heated. These things don't work worth a shit. These ones, I only got like 2 or 3 left that still work, but they take a licking and keep on ticking. So if you're doing cold weather work, keep these old ones. They work pretty good. These ones suck in the cold. I know the newer, they say the newer batteries, the power stack ones, are supposed to work in cold, and newer generations are supposed to work in cold, but get these cold and they suck. So that's my pet peeve. Lithium ion. And then I think the new ones are lithium ion polymer, so they might catch fire. But nobody's confirmed if they're not. So until Dewalt confirms if they're not lithium ion polymer that will catch fire and explode, I'm not buying any. Thanks for watching.